Good morning. It's 5 o'clock in the morning, and I've got my jacket beside me and my hat beside me, so I'll put it on when I get there. It's a 2-hour drive, so I'll wait till I get up there. I've got my protein coffee and a glass of electrolytes of water, the Relight water, and that's what I'm going to work on my drive. I do have a bag of Quest chips in case I need them. So off we go to St. Louis. Hello, it is 7:45. I'm in St. Louis and I'm at the convention, and I'm the first one here, of course, because of OCD early. I'm starving, so I've had my protein coffee, and let me see, I'll show you what I'm going to eat. I got 2 burgers that I made up, and I'm drinking on my electrolyte water. Like I said, I'm the first one here, and there's the conference room. So, yeah, I'm the first one here, other than the people setting up. So I'm going to eat a couple burgers because they're setting up all that breakfast junk food outside in the hallway for other people. Well, for us too, but not for me. And this is how I'm eating it. I just hold it, and I'm eating it, and that's that. So I'm in my hotel room, and I took a picture of lunch, and I will put it before what I'm talking now. I bought the almond milk. It says that you refrigerate after opening. So what I'm going to do is going to make these up for tomorrow. They're going to have more than my usual because I don't want to throw it away. So I'll just go on and fill it to the top with this almond milk. And I'm going to make them up. What is today? Today's Wednesday, and it's about 5 o'clock. So I'm going to fill it up to the top, and then put them in the refrigerator. So this is, I think it's 700 mil. Hang on, let me see. Hang on, let me get my lid on here. Okay. I did the top, which is, 700. It's 700, and one serving is 240. So yeah, so what is that, 3 times the serving? So I'm gonna do that same with this one. So this morning I took this thing with my electrolytes. It was filled, so I've got about that much down. I'd only use electrolytes twice throughout the day typically, but with all the food and extra stuff, I just had some extra just for my own mentality. And then I used some of this today and this today. This was really good at about 11 o'clock, so I didn't get sleepy. And I tell you, it's funny going to these conferences. Afterwards, you're sitting around a table, and what they had was lunch meat and tons of bread, and these like chickpea salad and all kinds of stuff. But after lunch, it was hilarious. People were like nodding off and sleepy. But I'm telling you, with this keto, I did not have that issue. I was, felt mentally clear and everything. But so I know my calories are going to be higher than usual, but I'm also eating differently than usual. So I had, 2 burgers for breakfast, 3 for lunch with the salad or lettuce and cheese and stuff. But now I'm going to have three more burgers. I don't have to eat 3, but I just feel like that will get me through till tomorrow morning. Here at the hotel, they have that breakfast bar, the hot breakfast. The kicker is it's going to be fake eggs, and it's going to be probably bacon. Or no, I think he said no bacon. So it's going to be fake eggs and sausage. Well, I'm not going to want that, so I'll be eating my burgers tomorrow for breakfast. They also have a thing this evening, and they have down at the main, down the lobby like a lot of hotels have, and it's going to be that all that like popcorn and chips and nachos and great pretzels, and alcohol. Great stuff if you, if you're not keto, but yeah. So anyway, I'm going to have this tonight. I'm going to go fill up my ice machine or ice thing from the ice machine So that way I'll have some ice and I'll drink some more water. And that's the game plan for the night. Tomorrow is the big full convention, so I'm not really sure what they'll be having. Again, I'll take a picture and try to tell you things so that way you know what I'm eating. So this was, what did we say? Today's Wednesday. You know, I always get mixed up on the days and all that stuff when I'm out of town. Okay, my regret, I did not bring paper plates. But that's all right. So I'm in the hotel room, like I told y'all. I'm about to eat my burgers. And yeah, I didn't bring paper plates. So what I'm gonna do is, gotta improvise. So I got my seasoning that I made up. And I'm just gonna shake this down into the baggie. And let's see. So that's what I'm going to do for my supper. 3 of these. Okay, bye. Here's a rough estimate of my stuff on Wednesday. That's what they got for breakfast this morning at the conference. The one thing I maybe could do is fruit, but I'm not. I'll just have my burgers. So that's the options. So I'm opting for 2 burgers and the seasoning that I made up. And everybody else can have that carby pastry and be sleepy later. Don't worry about what other people think. Everybody's doing their own thing, eating their own food, playing with their phones. Nobody cares what you have on your plate. So don't be afraid to bring your own food and set it up. Lunch today is 3 hamburgers. They had pizza and salad and pasta salad. So I'm just going to have 3 hamburgers with my seasoning. I went back and I got some of these tomato and mozzarella cheese things. So anyway, looked good. I guess Italian something or another, or Greek something or another. But anyway, I'm grabbing some. We're at a place called Sliber's, and that is shark bites with Cajun seasoning and fruit. And that is our appetizer. And that is called a real estate salad. It's got ham and something like lunch meat, and I put a little fruit in there with it, and some onions and. Listen, I forgot to tell you, I'm not going to show you because I'm laying down with my hair bonded on and I'm not looking right. Anyway, I'll say I forgot to show you. So we were at the they had a celebration for the program I'm in. It's been around for 10 years, and so they had a celebration, and they had a whole bunch of ravioli and I don't know, some kind of wrapped shrimp. So what I had was I had 1 strawberry with some kind of mascarpone cheese. I don't know. And then I had afterwards so I had the strawberry and mascarpone cheese, and then I had 1 burger patty and my blah 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 protein chips. And then afterwards we went out and I had about half that salad, and then I had probably about a third of those shark bites. That was interesting. The texture was flaky like fish, but the flavor, it was so bland. It was like chicken, or you could say, I don't know, whatever kind of fish is bland, because I don't like fish. I do not like fish. So like tuna and salmon, all that stuff is too fishy. So anyway, it was, I'm going to say what everybody says. It was like chicken, only with the flaky texture. So anyway, yeah, so I had about a third of those. And then I had some fruit. And then I had, like I said, about half that salad with the blue cheese dressing. And it was like lunch meat on it. I will say, the girls, after we were done eating, they're like, have you been drinking? And I'm like, no, but I did have some fruit. So I probably had about 7 pieces of fruit before I had my salad. And this is what I've always said, my body doesn't process sugar like a normal person. I do feel a little bit kind of wound up. So yeah, eating stuff, sugar, fruit, for me is just not a good decision. But okay, that's everything I had today. I showed you, let's see, what do I have? 2 burgers for breakfast, 3 burgers for lunch, 1 burger at the thing, and then the protein chips, and then the strawberry, and then maybe like 4 pieces of that shark bites, and then, like I said, about 5 or 6 pieces of fruit, and then half my salad. So way over my calories, but you know, I had a good time and I'm not stressing about it. So I'll show you what we have tomorrow, because tomorrow's the last day. It's from 8:30 until 2. I think it ends at 2. So I should be able to go pick up the dogs and stuff before I get home. All right, bye. Here's a rough estimate of my calories and all that good stuff on Thursday. It's a rough estimate. Believe me, everything's not perfect like usual. So today at the conference, let's say it's Friday morning, and I'm having 2 burgers. They had some bacon, and they had some like different sausages, like long sausage like kielbasa, and some eggs and potatoes. But that's not what I went for. I got 3 pieces of bacon and 2 of my hamburgers is what I'm eating today. Got a turkey burger, a grilled hamburger, cheese. I'm going to eat a couple bites of corn and some plain pulled. We are home. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're home. They're tuckered. They're following me everywhere. So far, no snake on the bed. But he's only been back 3 minutes. We'll see. Hopefully he doesn't, have any snake massacring. It is 4:30. I fed them. I'm not hungry at all, but I don't want to post it just in case. I'm going to get everything unpacked and my dishwasher loaded, because my new dishwasher's here. Mom came over and was here when they installed it, so I got a brand new dishwasher. Whoop, whoop. Got to see how it works and all that good stuff. And there's my recyclable trash. I know you just needed to know that. But anyway, so yeah. So I'm going to finish unloading and unpacking and all that good stuff that you do when you come home from a vacation. And if I eat, I'll let you know. So if you saw my meal prep, these are 6 ounces of the 93% ground beef. Well, there's one that's empty that I put in the freezer. I took the burgers that I had and I put 1.5 of the 80-20 burgers. So each of these has 1.5 burgers and 6 ounces of 93% ground beef. So I'm going to put these in the freezer, and then I'll be cooking up some 80-20 ground beef through tomorrow or sometime. So I'll be doing that in my meal prep, but I just wanted you to see that's what I did with the burgers that are left over. And here's the outcome from today. So have a good night.